Right now, as you are watching this video, I want you to do something uncomfortable. Open your banking app. Look at your savings balance. Not your salary. Not a loan. The actual cash you have personally saved and protected. For most people, that number is close to zero. Maybe even exactly zero. And I want you to understand something before we go any further. That is not a personal failure. That is the system working exactly as it was designed. Every school you attended, every job you were trained for, every advertisement you have ever seen in your life, all of it was built with one quiet purpose: to make sure you spend everything you earn. The machine is running perfectly. You just were never told you were inside it. I am going to show you how it works. And more importantly, I am going to show you the exact moves to step outside of it. Stay with me, because what I am about to share with you in the next 10 minutes has the potential to change your financial life permanently. Let us start with the first lie they sold you, that a high income equals wealth. Look around you. There are doctors driving luxury cars on loan. There are engineers paying premium rent they can barely afford. There are managers with six-figure salaries and zero savings. High income, zero wealth. Here is why. Income is just water running through a pipe. Wealth is what you collect before it drains away. Real wealth comes down to one simple calculation: assets minus liabilities. Assets are things that put money into your pocket whether you work or not. Stocks, real estate, a business, a skill that generates income. Liabilities are things that drain money out of your pocket every single month. Car loans, credit card debt, installment plans, an expensive lifestyle you cannot actually afford. Most people spend their entire lives collecting liabilities and calling them assets. They finance cars that lose value the moment they drive out of the showroom. They upgrade phones on installment plans. They take vacations on credit. Every rupee of income disappears into obligations. And the net worth stays at zero. This is not bad luck. This is a blueprint. And it was handed to you long before you ever earned your first salary. I need to ask you something. If this system was designed to keep you spending, what would it actually look like to step outside of it? What would you need to think differently? What would you need to do differently? Hold that question. Because first, you need to understand how deep this programming goes. The modern school system was not built to make you wealthy. It was engineered during the Industrial Revolution to solve one specific problem. Factories needed workers. Obedient, predictable, punctual workers who would follow instructions and trade their time for a wage. So the curriculum was designed accordingly. Sit in rows. Follow rigid schedules. Do not question. Earn grades in exchange for effort. In 12 or more years of schooling, most people receive zero lessons on compound interest. Zero lessons on building assets. Zero lessons on how ownership creates real wealth. But they receive years of training in exactly what makes a perfect employee. And it worked. The education system succeeded completely in its original mission. It created a generation of consumers who serve the economy, instead of owners who control it. Here is the truth that changes everything. While employees trade limited hours for a fixed salary, owners build systems that generate income independently of their personal time. That single distinction is the difference between financial struggle and financial freedom. Now here is the part that most financial advice completely skips. And it is the most important part. The barrier between you and wealth is not just the school system. It is inside your own mind. And it has been there for 200,000 years. The human brain was not designed for long-term financial planning. It was designed for immediate survival. And that ancient wiring is silently working against your financial future every single day. Here is how. Loss aversion. Research shows that the psychological pain of losing money feels twice as intense as the pleasure of gaining it. Twice. This means every time you consider investing, your brain fires threat signals. It treats a calculated financial decision the same way your ancestors treated a physical predator. So you keep your money in a savings account earning 3%. While inflation at 6% quietly erodes its value. You chose safety, but the safe choice is actually the slow loss. Then there is present bias. Your brain is hardwired to overvalue what it can have right now, and deeply undervalue what it could have in 30 years. Purchase today feels real and certain. Retirement wealth in 3 decades feels like a theoretical abstraction. This is why every salary hike immediately becomes a lifestyle upgrade. Every bonus disappears into spending within weeks. Your biology treats saving as a loss, so it fights you every single time. You are not weak. You are human. But knowing this is the beginning of overcoming it. And then the financial industry discovered these biological flaws and built an entire machine to exploit them. Credit cards remove all friction from spending. One-click checkouts bypass your judgment entirely. Buy now, pay later schemes detach the reward from the future cost completely. Here is a number I want you to remember. If you carry a credit card balance of 50,000 rupees at 40% annual interest, and you only make minimum payments, you will spend 7 years paying it off. And pay nearly 140,000 rupees in total. Almost 3 times the original amount. The credit card company earned more from your spending than you did from whatever you bought. This is the minimum payment trap. And it is one of the most expensive financial mistakes a person can make. Lifestyle inflation makes it worse. Every raise is instantly absorbed by a higher standard of living. Every bonus disappears into a better car, a bigger apartment, a premium subscription. Your income grows. Your wealth stays flat. The modern economy makes spending frictionless. Your biology makes saving feel like deprivation. Even high earners can spend entire careers effectively broke. Not because they lack intelligence, but because they are fighting forces they were never warned about. Now you have been warned. Right now, some of you are feeling something uncomfortable. Maybe it is recognition. Maybe it is a little anger. Maybe it is the quiet realization that some of these patterns are happening in your own life right now. Good. That discomfort is important. Because what I am about to tell you is either going to motivate you to act tonight or cost you more than you can currently imagine. There is a concept called the ignorance tax. It is the financial penalty of delay. And it is ruthless. If you invest the exact same monthly amount but start just 10 years later, you lose 2/3 of your potential final result. Not a small adjustment. 2/3. Gone. Not because you made bad investments. Not because the market failed you. Simply because you waited. Simply because you felt unready. Simply because you spent 10 years researching instead of starting. A person who starts a modest monthly investment at 25 and continues until 60 will accumulate more than 3 times the wealth of someone who starts at 35 with the exact same monthly amount and the exact same returns. Time is the engine of compound interest. And every month you delay, that engine falls further behind, a gap it can never fully recover. The ignorance tax is not paid in one bill. It is paid silently, invisibly, over years, in the form of wealth you could have built but never did. So how do people actually escape this? Not through motivation, not through discipline alone, through systems. The top 5% do not win by having stronger willpower. They win by building systems that make the right choice automatic and the wrong choice difficult. The first system is paying yourself first. Before rent, before groceries, before any expense. A fixed percentage of income moves automatically into assets the moment salary arrives. Not what is left over. The first transfer. When the money never appears in your spending account, the biological urge to consume it never fires. One decision made once executes every single month forever. The second system is resisting lifestyle inflation deliberately. When income grows, spending grows only a fraction as fast. If earnings double, lifestyle moves by 10 or 20%. The gap between what is earned and what is kept continues to widen. And that widening gap, invested consistently over years, is where wealth is quietly built. These are not complicated strategies. They are simple, boring, automated habits. They require almost no ongoing effort. But they compound over decades into results that look extraordinary from the outside. The wealthy do not fight their biology every day. They set up systems once, and let those systems do the fighting for them. You can do the same thing, starting tonight. Here is what separates the people who change their financial future from the people who watch this video and go back to their normal life. One single uncomfortable action. Tonight. Not a plan. Not a promise to start next month. One action. Before you sleep, open an investment account. Set up a transfer of 500 rupees. Cancel one subscription you have not used in 3 weeks and redirect that money. Calculate your actual net worth for the first time. Something, anything, one step, because here is the truth. The fear paralysis loop, the cycle of researching and preparing and almost starting, is the most expensive habit a person can have. People wait for certainty that never arrives. They wait for the perfect strategy. They wait until they feel completely ready. And ready never fully comes. A small, imperfect step today outperforms a perfect strategy that is never launched. Every single time, without exception, the default path is comfortable. It is socially normal. And it is financially devastating. Wealth is not a single dramatic decision. It is the compounding result of small, uncomfortable, consistent actions chosen over the societal default every day. You have seen how the machine is designed. You understand the traps. You know what the 5% do differently. The only question that remains is this: what are you going to do tonight? The account does not open itself. Make the decision now.